One of the items some people come in looking for fireplaces is a ventless fireplace. And the best way to describe a ventless fireplace is exactly as it sounds. It's a fireplace without a vent. It doesn't mean that the fireplace is going to burn differently in the house. It just means that it doesn't have a vent hooked up to it that's hooked up to the outside of the house. So basically what that means is all the gases that are left after the fire burns the gas is going to be left in the home. Now the three main chemical compounds you're going to get out of a gas fireplace after it's burning is water vapor, carbon dioxide. Now both of those are not harmful under normal circumstances. The last one, carbon monoxide, is the one that everybody is concerned about because again, if you have enough carbon monoxide in the house, not enough oxygen, it can kill you. So yep, you probably should be concerned about that. The one thing about ventless fireplaces though is that even if you have all the safeties on it and you have enough fresh air in the house to dilute the air so that the oxygen levels are fine, you still want to be concerned about the water vapor. Water vapor, when it's under normal circumstances, is fine, but if you trap water vapor, let's say in a basement, you put a ventless fireplace in a basement because you want more heat down there, basements always tend to be a little bit cooler, a little bit damper, and now you're putting lots of extra moisture in that basement, possibly going to give you problems with mold and mildew. So ventless fireplaces we don't recommend. And if you take a picture of the country, if you picture in your head and draw a line kind of straight across the country from about southern Missouri south, that's where ventless fireplaces are going to be more popular because they're not used as much and the houses are not as tight as they are in the upper part of the country because we're concerned about heating. So again, if you're looking for something that's ventless, the only two fireplaces or inserts that we consider safe for ventless are going to be electric because you are not burning a fuel, you're basically using a resistance heater to get the heat out, or ethanol. Now ethanol we consider okay with that because it's not designed as a heat source, it's not going to produce that much heat, therefore you don't have to worry about as many of those exhaust gases staying in your house.